Hello everybody, Beetlebear here, and I am just posting another video, devlog, of my warm-up this morning. I decided to work on a really small game, maybe an hour every morning. And it involves Beetlebear, the character, a little pixel art character that I worked on a couple months ago. Um, and it's not going to be a side-scroller, rather it's going to be a vertical, where you go up and down and stuff like that. So eventually, I'll add ladders and stuff like that in, or maybe, something for Beetlebear to walk up. And then, of course, once I have all the physics, and I'm working on, you can see on the screen, I'm working on Beetlebear right now, all the jumping and moving and his animations and, borders and stuff like that. Figured I'd work on that first. Then I designed the level generator, and then design all the stuff that, allows Beetlebear to either interact with the level or objects on the screen. And then, of course, we got to add something in there that makes the game fun, like some kind of nemesis or something. And maybe Beetlebear has a bird friend named Edwin, and an evil monkey came and stole Edwin, or something. I don't know. We'll figure the story out later. But I'll have some kind of nemesis, and something for Beetlebear to go and accomplish. It'll just be a short little thing I'll put on my website. And now I'm going to show you a little bit of the actual pixel art character I came up with. You can see the animation's intention. And so far the code is it's less than 200 lines of code, just to control what you're seeing going on the screen with Beetlebear walking around and jumping and stuff. And here's the Beetlebear character in Photoshop. Like I said, I came up with him a couple months ago, real quick, and spent just a couple minutes making a quick animation of his arms and legs moving and his body and stuff like that. Made about 4 or 5 actual frames for the game itself, and then I put them in the game and coded all the the same actions and animation that I did in Photoshop. And there it is, yeah, jumping around, and he can move in different directions and all kinds of stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll post more about this little warm-up project every now and then.